In this video, I will show you how Minexa.ai turns any website into usable data, making it easy to scrape job listings for marketing roles on getonbrd.com, whether you're a developer or not. I'm opening the page that already has the results showing. This is all you need. Next, click the icon at the top of the browser to launch Minexa.ai. With Minexa.ai open, click the violet button that says, "Yes, I'm on the right page." It scans the layout and navigation to detect the job listings for marketing roles automatically. Already found. The main content area and navigation pattern are detected by Minexa.ai, making the job listings ready for extraction. Decide whether to scrape just the list or also the detail page behind every job result. Most setups only need to click Continue. Use advanced settings only if you need to click or fill something before the list loads. That highlighted part of the page is your dataset. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai learns what data lives there once. All fields are listed, including job titles, locations, companies, and dates. Simply select the ones that matter for scraping job listings on getonbrd.com. Developers can click the API request button to get Python code with proxy and rendering already configured for seamless integration. Click to validate and save the configuration. That completes your setup. Pagination is set automatically, so every run moves through all pages without stopping. Last screen, optionally connect Google Sheets or schedule the job, then click Complete Setup. Just hit Run. Minexa.ai handles everything from here. The scraper handled JavaScript rendering and dynamic content loading automatically. You see job titles, company names, locations, and posting dates, all neatly extracted without extra setup. Click Export to download the data. Each row is one job listing, with every field in its own column. Set it up once, and the same scraper works forever. Anyone can export to Excel, and developers can plug the scraper ID into any automated workflow.